If you've ever wanted cafe-quality espresso at home without the steep learning curve, the Breville Barista Touch espresso machine is a reason people will stop and watch. This all-in-one machine is built for coffee lovers who want professional results with simple, modern controls, and it delivers exactly that. The Barista Touch uses Breville's 4 keys formula to produce third-wave specialty coffee in under 1 minute, taking you from whole beans to rich espresso effortlessly. Its integrated conical burr grinder with dose control ensures the right amount of coffee is ground every time, maximizing flavor with a single touch. What truly elevates this machine is its thermojet heating system, which reaches optimal extraction temperature in just 3 seconds, meaning no long waiting times. Combined with low-pressure pre-infusion and PID digital temperature control, the espresso extraction is balanced, smooth, and consistently delicious. Milk-based coffee lovers will appreciate the automatic microfoam steam wand, which lets you customize milk temperature and texture while producing barista-quality foam, perfect for lattes and latte art. The intuitive touchscreen walks you through grind, brew, and milk in 3 easy steps and allows you to save up to 8 personalized coffee settings. With premium accessories, a large water tank, and Breville's reliable build quality, this machine feels like a cafe setup on your countertop. Pros: fast 3-second heat up with thermojet technology, touchscreen with customizable coffee profiles, excellent automatic milk texturing for cafe-style drinks. Con: premium price compared to basic espresso machines. If convenience, speed, and cafe-level quality matter to you, the Breville Barista Touch is absolutely worth watching and brewing with.